Welcome to the channel. This is the Leatherman Signal. I've carried this tool for some time now and I want to share my thoughts with you. For reference, this tool is a little bit taller than the Weight Plus. However, it's thinner and like an ounce lighter with a nice pocket clip, so it will be perfect for pocket carry. With the tool closed, you'll have access to the main blade. This is a combo blade. The size of this blade is massive. On the other side, we have the wood saw. Really nice size. We also have a hammer. I'll definitely recommend, if you are going to use the hammer, do not grab the tool like this, because if you're trying to hammer something down, you might hurt your hand. Position your hand like this and you'll have even better leverage. With the tool open, we'll have access to a nice set of pliers, replaceable wire cutters. You have an awl. You have a can opener, bottle opener, and wire stripper. You also have the bit driver, and this is for the flat style bits. This tool also comes with two accessories that are unique for the Leatherman Signal. The first one is a sharpener. To remove the sharpener from the tool, you press this lever down and push the sharpener towards the lever. It's a small sharpener, but it works. To lock it back in place, press the lever down and slide it on the opposite direction. On the other side, we have a ferro rod with a safety whistle. To remove it, you open the tool, push this lever back, and the tool comes out. Ferro rod and the whistle. Put it back in place, push it, and it's locked. It is a very good looking tool and it is very functional.